Okay, so today I am doing a little trending hairstyle with Bantu knots in the front and a ponytail in the back. So as you can see, I started by parting my hair in half and just separating the hair. Now I am going to begin to part my hair for the Bantu knots that I'm putting in the front. I'm just going to put either 4 or 5 Bantu knots. Most likely I'm going to put 5 Bantu knots in the front with a little bang. Now I am just adding some of my edge control to make everything nice and slick down. Now I'm just adding on my rubber band here. So once I started twisting the Bantu knot here without any weave on it, I noticed it was really small because that's like the size of my hair. So that's like the shortest part of my hair. So I'm gonna get a piece of cankalone hair and add it onto that because I want all my knots to be kind of the same size. I don't want them too big or too small. So now I'm gonna add in a piece of cankalone hair. I'm gonna start by braiding it into my real hair, and then I'm gonna twist the Bantu knot so that it'll be a little bit bigger. Okay, and with this style, guys, you do not have to use edge control. I use edge control because I wanted my stuff to be very slick and I wanted it to last a few days. But you can do this style with or without edge control. And I forgot to mention, my hair was already previously flat ironed. So I did this style on like an old silk press that was ready to go. But I was like, okay, we're going to use this. I'm not going to flat iron my hair a second time because I want to use as less heat as possible, if that makes sense. Like, instead of starting over and then washing my hair and flat ironing it again, I just went ahead and used the old silk press that was already done on my hair previously. My hair was due to be washed, but instead of washing it and flat ironing, I just went with my move, y'all get it. So here I am doing my little leave out for my little bangs that I'm gonna leave in the front. You can do this style with or without bangs. I wanted bangs because it gives it a little extra something. So I'm gonna leave that out and I'm gonna add some hair to that later. Y'all gonna see that later on in the video, so stay tuned. And if you wanna see, you know, the rest of the video and how I got my bangs nice and long. Oh, sorry. At this point, y'all, my arms was hurting. That's why I don't like doing my own hair. I only needed to add the kinkalone hair onto the 2 Bantu knots that were on the end. My hair in the middle is more full and long, so the knots were a nice size for me. I didn't want really big knots, so I didn't add hair to the other ones, only the ones on the side, so they would match the ones in the middle. It is very important with this hairstyle that you do not put the rubber bands in too tight, because once you start twisting your hair and twisting it around in the Bantu knot, it's going to get even tighter, and you do not want your hair to be like super tight. So make sure your rubber bands are loose. So here I was deciding that I'm going to add some hair to my little bangs because they were kind of flimsy looking. Now I'm just braiding down my ponytail, getting ready to put the track hair onto my ponytail. For my ponytail, I just got some cheap track hair because I'm not going to keep this style in for very long, maybe just a few days. So I went with some cheap hair. So here is the cheap hair that I decided to use. It's called Bloom Bundle. This is my first time using this type of hair. It did last me about a good 5 days though before it started to just constantly tangle. But it was okay for the ponytail. So here I decided to add the track hair on with bobby pins. I did not want to use any glue or anything and put all of that stuff on my hair. And I wanted something really quick. And like I said, I'm not keeping this in for a long time. So the bobby pins worked fine for the week. I just wrapped it around and put the bobby pins in as I go. And I am sticking the bobby pins at a downward angle inside my braided ponytail so that they're not sticking out the other side of the ponytail. So I'm not just sticking them straight through, I'm sticking them like in a downward angle inside my braid, if that makes sense. And I did use like 1.5 of the bundles from the hair. I didn't want my ponytail to be too big looking. I wanted it to look very sleek. So I didn't want it to look like really like a poofy big ponytail. Now I'm wrapping a thin little piece around to hide the track at the base of the ponytail. And then I'm just gonna hold that in place with some holding spray. I'm gonna spray a lot of holding spray on it, but I do tuck the very end inside the ponytail to keep it from coming to loose. And I did have to spray it like every day because that hair is really soft, so the holding spray would kind of wear off and you could tell when it starts to like freeze. So I would just spray a little more holding spray on just that little piece. So now I'm just about to add 2 little pieces to my bangs in the front. So I'm just gonna glue those in between my hair. Okay, so now I'm finally done. As you can see, I'm starting to get bucked up, get hyped up because my hairstyle came out cute. I'm done. I just got to flatten out those little sideburns on the side. I'm just gonna add some holding spray to those and lay them down flat. But this is the finished product. I hope y'all like it. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, y'all, that's it. That's all, folks. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, we're done. It's so cute. I look like I'm from 1999, 2000. Yes. I look so cute. Cute. 8. I either do one video or 2 videos. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna make it 2 videos. You know what I'm saying? So I can get in that algorithm, YouTube. If you listening for me in the algorithm, that's it. That's all I got for y'all today, y'all. It's giving.